to our first Pilgrims Nature Trail. I'm Julie Cox, one of the occupational therapists in Margate. The idea behind these videos is to inspire you to get outside or give you an opportunity to enjoy nature, even if you're unable to leave your home. There's been a lot of talk and research recently about how good nature is for our health and well-being. Many people have been spending more time in their gardens and have found that being outside has had a calming effect on them. But research has found that benefits can even be achieved by simply looking at pictures of nature. So over the coming weeks, we hope that we'll be able to show you some of the many wonders of nature and encourage you to appreciate the beauty around us. For our first nature trail, we're going to show you the hospice garden in Thanet. These are my colleagues, Sarah and Christy. And we just show you some of the lovely plants we've got in the garden. This is an interesting plant. I think its common name is the bottlebrush plant, quite appropriately.
This is really pretty, this yellow flower, but I'm not sure what it's called.
I don't know either. Yeah. And this pink stuff grows everywhere. I think that's valerian.
This was all in flower the other day, and it smelled beautiful, but I'm not sure what it was.
Oh,
So we passed it.
oh yes. Finished flowering, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Triffids. Good one.
Bambi.
Oh yeah, bamboo at the back. And I really want to find out what this pink plant is just down here.
Oh.
There's quite a big bush here. I've got it in my garden, but it's very small.
Pretty.
Mm. This is Memory Park, which is a very special place with lots of trees. So despite the road, the trees make you feel quite secluded, really, as if you're in a woodland.
do hope you enjoyed the tour of our garden here at the Hospice at Thanet. To finish with, I'm just going to read out a poem by Benjamin Zephaniah called Nature Trail. At the bottom of my garden there's a hedgehog and a frog and lots of creepy crawlies living underneath a log. There's a baby daddy longlegs and an easy-going snail, and a family of woodlice are all on my nature trail. There are caterpillars waiting for their time to come to fly. There are worms turning the earth over as ladybirds fly by. Birds will visit, cats will visit, but they always choose their time. I've even seen a fox visit this wild garden of mine. Squirrels come to nick my nuts, the busy bees come buzzing, and when the night comes, sometimes there's dragonflies come humming. My garden mice are very shy, and I've seen bats that growl, and in my garden I've seen a very wise old owl. My garden is a lively place, there's always something happening. There's constant search for food, and then there's all that flowering. When you have a garden, you'll never be alone, and I believe we all deserve a garden of our own.